We present the new MODICIA OS, codename Caravaggio. Here are a few simple steps to know as soon as the desktop starts. Directory menu configuration. Quick search configuration. Network monitor configuration. Launch Fullscreen Menu. Expose all open windows. Launch Search Menu. Launch Resource Monitor.
In this video, we'll introduce you to several exclusive MODICIA OS applications that make system management effortless, just one click away and visually consistent throughout. The Total Menu Launcher, which you already know well, will be shown in action while we demonstrate how to use App Image Menu Integrator, Kernel Manager, Theme Switcher, and NVIDIA Driver Installer. App Image Menu Integrator is a graphical application that manages app images, integrates them into the system and application menu, and handles their removal and cleanup. Kernel Manager is a utility that allows you to block kernel updates, both default and real-time, according to your preferences. You can choose to automatically update only selected kernels or block all updates entirely, designed for a secure and reliable workstation environment. Theme Switcher allows you to apply your preferred theme to all GTK and Qt applications in the system with a single click, including those that do not respond to Cinnamon Control Center settings, ensuring a unified desktop and application appearance in harmony with the distribution's visual design. NVIDIA Driver Installer is a graphical application that automatically detects your graphics card, lists the available drivers, and installs them for you. No need to be a terminal ninja to get top performance from your GPU.
In MODICIA OS, some terminal programs are implemented, which are very useful for monitoring the system and its resources. Now let's get to know these programs that consume few resources and are useful for controlling system performance and load. Global System Monitor, started by pressing the Ctrl+Win key. CPU control. CPU usage. Control network. Control total up and down bit. Disk usage. Hardware list. RAM and CPU usage. Stress system control. Test speed network. Usage MODICIA OS. Hoping you will find them useful. I wish you good luck in your work.